Hello friends, welcome to Crochet for Beginners. Today we'll make this V-shaped poncho. For this I have taken pure wool yarn, 8 ply yarn and used 8 mm hook. I have started this with standing double crochets and at the end on both sides I have made 3 DC together, chain 1, 3 DC together, and at the center 2 DC, chain 1, 2 DC. Lengthwise it is 28 inches long and breadthwise it is 56 inches wide. At the end and start of each row, I have skipped first stitch. So I have taken 57 starting double crochets, divided it into 2, and center is on 29th stitch. Because of starting double crochet, this V shape is coming. So I have already made 57 starting double crochets. You can go to my previous video to learn about starting double crochets. On first and last stitch we will make 3 DC together, chain 1, 3 DC together. Center will be on 29th stitch. I have already made next row. In the last stitch I have made 3 DC together, chain 1, 3 DC together. At the center 2 DC, chain 1, 2 DC. And again in the last stitch 3 DC together, chain 1, 3 DC together. In the next row we will skip first stitch, that is 3 DC together. Just make chain 1 before turning. So this is chain 1, turn this and slip stitch into chain 1 space. Stretch the stitch a little. Now make 3 DC together. So for this we pass through only 2 stitches. Now at the end we have 4 stitches. Chain 1, and again we will make one more 3 DC together. One double crochet in next stitch, that is 3 DC together. Here. So we will make one double crochet in each of the next stitches till we reach the center. We are going to skip first and last stitch only. My center pull yarn ball is slightly tight, so I have to pull every time I need more thread. So we will make one double crochet till we reach chain one space. It's very simple poncho. We have to repeat this row only. You can make it smaller or larger, it's up to you. And number of rows will depend on thickness of your yarn. Thickness of yarn as well as the size of the hook. You can make it with smaller plies and larger size hook also. Now one last double crochet. Now in the chain space, make 2 double crochets. Chain 1 and 2 more double crochets. Now 1 double crochet in each of next stitches till we reach chain 1 space, last chain 1 space between the 3 DC togethers. Now we will make in the chain space, we will make 3 DC together, chain 1, 3 DC together. So this is the row you will repeat till you get your desired length and breadth. So if you like the video, please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.